Hi, we're gonna show you the new two chain machine. First, we plug in the air. Here we plug in the air already, and then we just turn on the machine. This is a 3-2 changer CNC router. Then we turn on the emergency, turn on the machine, and also turn on the controller, emergency on right there. And then we want to send the machine home. Once we turn it on, they will ask you to send the machine home. Then we click OK. Then once it's OK, the machine left, it will go to the left and uh, in front, left and in front to hit the limit switch and go to home. Now it's home. Then we want change the file to English. Then we want to change to English. When we want to change to English, we press the right there, the manage, and then go to the last one, the very last one, number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go down more, 4, 5, 6, right there. Number 6, and then we go to number 1. Number 1 is a change the language. Then right there we click to English. Once click to English, it will restart the first. We click OK first. It will restart the whole machine and the whole program. Then we just click OK, yes. When it's yes, it go to return to the home again. It's no problem. And once to reach home now, we wanna do a 2 set. How we want to do the 2 set? Okay, first we go X right there, and then Y. When it hit Y, it's just gonna go Y back there. Hit X will go X, Y will go Y. And then we want to do 2 set. First we press K1. K1, the 2 number 1 will come down, right? 2 number 1 will come down. Then we just hit the 2 tip measure. 2 tip measure, then it will measure the tip of the 2. It's really easy. So just hit 2 tip measure, it will automatically go to 0. It will hit to the 2 set. So it's just waiting, and then it will hit the 2 set. When it hit, it will go up right there. That's 2 number 1 already. Then we just click K2. K2 is a 2 number 2, right? Just hit the K2, and again just hit the 2 tip measure. Then it will just go to set the 2 number 2. It will go down and hit the 2 set 0. Here go 2 set 0. Once finished, then we go to number 3, which is K3. K3, then again just 2 tip measure. Then it will go to measure the 2 number 3. 2 tip measure it to be 0. When it hit, it will 0. Okay, then we got all 3 2 set. Then we just go to the position that we want. Then we just hit X, Y to be 0. Then it's 0. Then we hit the C to be 0.